Hello YouTube, my name is Flanker and today I'm going to teach you how to use Flanker tools to get a shiny gold gun in DayZ. So first of all we're going to pick a gun. I'm going to use a Glock because a lot of people might want a gold starting pistol on their server, which is quite a common thing. So I've got the mod for it. I'm going to copy this file path Then I'm going to go to File, Import, Armor 3P3D. This is part of Armor Toolbox, which you can get on GitHub. This is not my tool, but it's part of Armor Toolbox. So you just use that. Search for the file. You need the mod version, which there's a tool out there that will convert this into a mod, but I personally can't teach you how to use that. You have to just Google it and search it up, but there's a tool out there for it. So you do that, it's imported, you get all this funky looking stuff, but with the Pro bundle you get the import cleanup, which is this tool here. Click cleanup. As you can see, it separates it down into the actual model. We've got the Glock, and then we've got something else. Let me just minimize these. So that there is just the iron sight bits, so the lights on it. So we're going to turn them off. We're not going to bait them ones out. We're just going to go for the Glock and use the default texture for them. So let's first of all apply a base texture. Apply material. Go to shading tab up here. Home. And let's get a gold color here. So gold's more like about there, but a bit darker, a bit more orangey maybe. Oh, about that. So there's that gold. It doesn't look like gold actually. It's a bit more, it's too green that, isn't it? Or it might just be, let me turn my night mode off on my PC actually, night light. That's not even on. That's the wrong color then. I need to go more towards the orange side of it. So it's like that, which that doesn't look like gold, but if we turn the metallic up and roughen this down, it looks a hell of a lot more like gold now. So that there is just basically a white RV map value. Let's get the original no HQ for this. So back in here we've got the no HQ PAA. I'm gonna file save as. I'm gonna get the change this, sorry, to PNG, so I can get it into Blender. Once that's saved, I can close this. I click on this, press Alt Tab to into Blender, and just drop it there. Get to the normal, and that looks terrible. So if we change this to non-color, you can see that's what it should look like in the game. So I'm quite happy with that. Nothing. Should I make the parts of it black, just so it's got more contrast? Yeah, let's do that real quick. So I'm just gonna add some. If I press 3 on the top row of numbers, I can select these better. I'll just press L. There you go, I selected that. Select the ring, select the inside part, select that ring as well, or that part of the ring, and select there. Let's do the sights as well. So I'm just pressing L to loop select random areas, like so. So I'm just hovering my mouse over and pressing L, and select just the top of there as well. Oh, I got Control Z. There we go. I have one thing to do. I've got a text message. It's important. Alright, sorry about that. I just had something on the phone to sort out. Carry on loop, selecting these. Like that. Come on. And even this bit inside of here as well. Control L. Shift L. Yeah, Shift L to deselect loop parts that you've accidentally selected. So, and the trigger. Oh, I did not want to do that. Control Z. I just pressed the K to, I don't know what I just pressed. Escape. Yeah, L. There we go. I'll press something. I think I'll press K or something. And it got really weird on me. So, and that little bit as well. Fuck it. Oh, no. Control Z. Oh, Control Z. Not what the hell did I just press? There you go. L. L. I can't select it. What the fuck? For some reason I can't select that face. Go into X-ray mode. There is not a face on there, apparently. Not a solidified one anyway. It is here though. Oh, I was on the wrong select mode. I was on line select. There you go. I'm just being stupid. Right, that's enough. That's enough. Yeah, that's enough. So I'm gonna. Oh no, it's not enough. There's something here. Sorry. I'm trying to get like some sort of cool detail. So now that's all done, I'm gonna press this button again. Go down to DayZ textures, and if you can't click apply to selected, just hover over here and press tab once and tab again. Then you can apply selected material and apply as new. So that's, let's go back to shading. Oh, we're in shading, sorry. Let's go back to this view. And then if you want to edit that second material, just go to slot 2 like this. I'm just going to make these black. Nothing super crazy, but shall I make it like a matte black? Roughness, metalness all the way up. Actually, roughness down just a touch, like that. No, roughness all the way up. I'm going to make it a matte black one, so it's got like a Fanta black, whatever they call it. To do that, I'll probably need to turn the metallicness down, actually. Yeah. It's not as black as I'd like it to be, but it's okay. Let's get the normal texture image in this one as well, just so I can see what this is looking like. I've got the no HQ there. Normal. So, yes, it's looking cool. So, that's ready. Let's bake this out. So, I go to my tools. I go to DayZ Texture Animator. Let's fill this in. This can be my... I'll use my random reskins folder, just so it's easy to pack up. Low presets, so random reskins. This can be the golden Glock. I'll call it, golden Glock. And the original class name, we go to the config again. Config, original class name is this one, Glock 19. So Glock 19 base, if you go up, Glock 19 base is a scope 0, so you cannot spawn in the scope 0. So if you like went to your item spawn and search for this item, you wouldn't find it. So if you skin something that's off this item, you also won't find that. So you've got to find one that can be spawned, like this one, Glock 2. So you can search for Glock 19 as a class name and you'll find it. So I'm going to put that into the original class name on here. Oh, I've lost it. Blender. Original class name, paste Glock 19. Okay, so the item name, I'll call it a golden glizzy. I don't even know it's called a glizzy. I heard the word glizzy and I like it. I'm pretty sure it's a hot dog. I'm not too sure. Description. So shiny. Let's call it shiny. DayZ. DayZ underscore weapons underscore pistol, I think it is. I'll check the original config and scroll up. Oh, just DayZ underscore pistols, my bad. So DayZ underscore pistols. And there. Let's close this off. And the hidden selection name is... It's not on there. So I'm going to try to use the cleanup tool again. Objects, find selection name. It's Zabitech. That's what it says it is. But let me just check. Zabitech. Could be camo as well, which is... We'll go into edit mode and select all. So it's not camo. Let's try and go to edit mode and select all of Zabitech. Yes, it's Zabitech. So come out of that again. Go back to here. Zabitech. I'm going to change his name actually to Glock. This will be the image name. It's Glock. Now this is where you can select the gold from. So under this Fresnel beta, because this is still, it's not perfect how I want it, but if you can find the gold like this, this will give you a gold environment texture as well, which is needed for this. So I'm going to bake out the co. We're going to use the no HQ, but we're going to use the original no HQ. So do SMDI. Don't select no HQ, just go to use custom no HQ down here. And then we go to the RV mat of this original config. So data RV mat. Find the no HQ that they use. Just copy that and paste it in here. It says paste it without the quotes. and with backslashes, so that's perfect. And Fresnel, I'm not going to mess with because we're using gold Fresnel up here. Now the specular, this is important. So if we go to this website here, jdtools.dev, and go to color picker, you want to find like a really faint gold color in here. Something not too crazy, but like to the white side of things. So about that. And then this is the color code for that. As you can see, so we've got 0.766. I'm going to copy that. Go over here, and on the specular, you want it there. 0.766. 776, sorry. And then this one here is the next value across, 0.722. I'll put that in here. And then put the third value in there as well. So copy that. Put that in here. And then what this does is a specular. Do you like when you look at something, it's like it reflects the light from the sun, which is white, or if you shine like a red torch on it, you get like a red reflection. So this specular is telling you what color that reflection is. That's why we make it like a goldy color, because then anything that shines off it, it will come off with a gold reflection, which gives it that proper gold shine looking thing to it, rather than having a gold surface with different color reflections. It doesn't look very good. And then the diffuse, these need to be really low values for this. So I'm going to put a 0.2, which sounds crazy, but the darker the color is, the more gold it looks. I'm going to do the same for the ambient as well, like so. And the specular power, I'm going to crank this up to about 400, just so it's like really mirror looking. And then render time's fine, use denoise, use full margin. I'm going to generate the mod. And then while that's generating, let's open up the folder that's going to, which is P drive, random reskins, golden Glock. So then let's double check the RV mat has actually got the NoHQ in there. No, it didn't. So the NoHQ is on here. Oh, it is there. What am I fucking on about? So yeah, that's fine. The NoHQ is here. I'm so stupid. And then we've got the Glock SMDI, which we generated, and we've got the Fresnel, and then as you can see, we've got the gold environment texture already baked in there for us. You don't have to edit any of that. Config, it should be fine. Yep. So if I click save, I don't know why I click save because I made no changes. Let's go straight to the PBO project. This one by Makiro Tools. I'm going to crunch. That's finished, and then start the server, and then start DayZ as well. So this, in theory now, with them values that I'll put inside of Blender, that should make it pretty good gold. Might not be perfect. It's too dark. We can just change the values in the RV mat up here. Where are we? So these values here. So these are, it's basically saying take this texture and split the RGB channels, like the R, the G, the B. And this is the multiplier for how strong that is. So obviously 1 would be the exact pixels you see on that image. And then 0.5 would be 50% to black. So for 0 would be black, 1 would be the full color of the image, and 0.5 would be half between black and the image color. So 0.2 is very close to black. So the gun itself looks almost black, but because of the reflections, which is a gold texture color, and the power of the specular highlight as well, this should make the gun look very polished gold, in theory. So we're going to try this right now, and hopefully this works flawlessly without any more changes or modifications. And if this does work, we're only at 15 minutes, so I'll just upload this video as a full unedited video, other than the part where I was on the phone. So I'll just skip that little part out. Might move my camera around a little bit. When I say unedited, I mean uncut, besides the phone call. So if this works, I want a like from you. So if this works first time, I want a like. If it doesn't work the first time, I want a comment saying you're fucking stupid. Because I'll be stupid if it doesn't work. I've got a feeling I'm going to be stupid. Well, I've got sunglasses on and a hat in the house. I keep the hat on because I know my hair is going to be a mess under here. Because it got wet earlier when I was out, so I've hidden my messy hair. But I didn't realise I still have my glasses on. It seems to be taking a while. So there's a sledgehammer from the video I made today. Just throw on the floor, I don't need that. Let's go to edit. Item spawner. Golden Glock. Spawn it on the ground. There you go, you have your really shiny golden gun. See it, like really polished, like 18 karat looking. See, I want a like now because I'm happy with the way that turned out right now. So that's how you can do that. And if you want to get the tools, by the time this video's up, I'll have a promotional code for the lifetime bundle, and that'll end at the end of the month as well. So that'll be over by the end of June 30th. So for the next 14 days, you can use code Glizzy to get £55 off of the Pro Bundle lifetime. And if you like this video, well, you've already liked it anyway because you've seen the gold. You know what I mean? But if you've learned something from this video, please subscribe because my goal is to try and make a video daily on weekdays with random reskins so I can teach you different tricks all the time and show you how to do things quickly, how to do things differently. So as I learn new things, I will be sharing them in the videos, and there might be a random one like this thrown in. How to make gold, how to make platinum, for example. So platinum would just be picking the grey colour, making the colours very dark, making it like the grey material. Once you understand the gold's the hardest one to do, I think. So doing this, I think you should be pretty happy with that. So I shall see you in the next video. All the links to the tools will be in the description. Link to my Discord also in the description. Thank you for watching. I said I wouldn't salute in my last video, but it's too late. I've already saluted. I'll see you later, guys.